Shengmilo Electric Folding City Bike 500W48V 15R 7-speed Shimano derailleur with LCD display, dual disc brakes for unisex. Aluminum alloy double-walled rims are for greater durability, as well as faster ride with less drag. A high-strength front suspension fork and rear suspension can take your riding comfort and safe to the superior level. Powerful system is 500 with 48V brushless motor. Strong power will add more fun to your journey. The max speed of the motor is about 45 km per hour. In addition, the motor has a speed limit function, 30 km per hour to 42 km per hour optional. 3 operating modes: power assist mode: motor will assist you with a moderate amount of power as you pedal the bike. Fully electric mode: twist the throttle in any increments of power you desire to power the motor of the bicycle. Manual mode: pedal the bicycle normally as you would any bicycle. Rechargeable and long life -15R/48V battery. The mileage of battery support is approximately 40 km. Pure power mode, 70-9 km. Power assist system mode. Battery full charge takes 5 to 7 hours. The times of charging batteries is more than 1,000 times. Warranty and support: frame warranty 3 years. Motor warranty 365 days. Battery warranty 180 days. 0.95% pre-assembled when you get the bike. ANY questions about the pre-sale or the after-sale, please feel free to contact us. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.